Good night. My name is Wilmer Suaza. She was born in Warsaw on November 7, 1867. She was a Polish scientist with Frank Gnauss-Joti pioneer in the field de radioactivity, first person to receive two Nobel Prizes in different specialties. She began her scientific training in Warsaw at La Fronting University. She shared a Nobel Prize in Physics with her husband, with el physicist Henri Becquerel. Discovered new elements in the periodic table such as radium and polonium, created la theory de radioactivity, la, o, la oscilación de radioactive isotopes was daughter of Ladislaw Bronislaw Boguska, a Polish kapłan educator. Her father was a physicist and mathematician, and mother a teacher. Pains and Seeger, her invention and discoveries were great contributions to science.